Hazrat Abu Hazim narrates that Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu said, a man happened to pass by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon asked a man sitting in his company, what do you opine about him? He submitted, he is amongst the upright people, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if he proposes, he should be married, and if he recommends, his recommendation will be approved. The reporter says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent. Later another man happened to pass by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, thereupon asked him, what do you opine about him? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is one of the destitute Muslims. If he proposes, anyone will not be married, and if he recommends someone, his recommendation will not be honored, and if he talks, no one will listen to his talk. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, he is better than him, the former one, through the entire earth fills with such worldly respectable people. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6447.